In this video, I will show you how to set a stop loss on Trading 212. So what you want to gonna do is just open up Trading 212 and go to a position that you want to set a stop loss for. So for example, I'll use Airbnb right here. Now from there, once you have opened up whatever you want to set a stop loss on, click on sell. Now here you don't need to sell. What you want to do instead is go to stop. This means, as you can see, set a price below the current price that converts your order to a market order. So a market order is just what you see here, where it automatically sells at whatever price it is right now, and then a stop order does it at a price you set. Now for example, right now at the top you can see the price is $137. Now if I want to set a stop loss, I can for example set it at $130, meaning if it goes down $7, then it automatically sells. You can then choose if you want to use 24/5 trading and whether it expires or not. So then just click review order, you have the overview right here, then click send sell order. Now if Airbnb reaches $130, it's automatically going to be sold. So now you know how to set a stop loss on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.